Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Here is the viral Pistachio Kunafa chocolate bar. I've been constantly seeing videos of this Pistachio Kunafa chocolate bar in Dubai. It looked so crispy and so pistachio. I want to try it, so I made it myself. Check it out. Shredded phyllo dough. This is called katafi. You can find it in the Middle Eastern store. And here I use milk chocolate around 400 gram and pistachio spread around 200 gram. Tahini I use like 2 to 3 tablespoons. And for decoration you can use white chocolate. Butter 3 tablespoons. And food coloring, it's optional. If you want to look fancy your bar, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip it. First, defrost and cut the phyllo dough into small pieces. Heat a pan and you can add the butter. Once it's melted, you can add the phyllo dough and toast it on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes until golden and crispy. Stir it constantly until you get brown and crispy, and once it's ready you can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time, and then you can transfer to a medium bowl, add pistachio butter and tahini and mix it well until it combines together. The filling gives the chocolate bar an amazing flavor but also such a good texture. It's just so crispy but also creamy at the same time. For variation of the filling, instead of the pistachio cream, you can even try biscoff cream and do the same way. That also sounds very yummy. I'm using the food color green and copper color or yellow color. This is completely optional. If you want a plain bar, just skip this step. I'm melting the milk chocolate using the double boiler method. You can do it in the microwave as well. Here I use the milk chocolate, but you can also use dark or white according to your preference. Pour the melted chocolates into your chocolate bar molds and spread this out so the molds are fully coated. Keep it in the refrigerator for like 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's set, you can add the filling into your chocolate bar molds and then place back into the fridge for another 15 more minutes. Once you put the filling, just press it with a spoon or spatula. Let it sit in the fridge for another 10 more minutes. Now you can add more melted chocolate to the top of the molds and spread this out. And then you can place this back into your refrigerator for the fully set up for another 30 to 60 minutes. Once it's set, you can take the chocolate bars out of the molds. Then they are done. We didn't temper this chocolate to make things easier, but because of this, chocolate will melt easily, so keep it refrigerated. You can make this chocolate any size and shape. I'm using this muffin tins. I had some leftover pistachio filling, so I used this way. You can eat straight out of the fridge, and the leftover one you can store it in the fridge. It should last a week. I don't think mine will last that much. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this pistachio kunafa chocolate bar. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another exciting recipe. But take care.